Oh gosh, guys, I think she hacked my Amelia account. Wait. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Please don't hack it, because I also need it. Oh my god. Please don't. Oh my god. Just give answer. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let me try. Let me try the password now. I'm very scared when she hacked my favorite account that I knew, but she's safe. Show me perfect, right? But she didn't. Come on, I hope it works. She didn't hack it, but I am giving her answer, but she didn't even know anything. Oh my god. What is she doing? Well, oh shit. She wanted to hack it or whatever. She did it. I hate her so much. I swear if she hacked my account, I will report her. Oh my god. What the heck? I hope she didn't hack it. Come on. It's wrong. I think she's trying, but maybe she's trying to make it fit. But, yeah, you're welcome. Really. I think. Oh shit. Oh my god. Hey! Tell me something was wrong. Hello? I'm recording if you know. Okay, she did it. But, what is she doing here? Come on, please. I think she's trying. Oh my god. Okay guys, I'm very scared because she said that she just needed to be level 6. But she didn't hack. I doesn't understand, I swear. Because she promised, but she didn't even answer it. Oh, please, I have no time. Okay, if she hacked it, I swear I will report her or block her, but I will tell everybody, also you guys, if she hacked me that. She said she will make it VIP, and if it is real, yeah, if it doesn't work, change the password. Change the password. Come on, say something. loleah123123. What is she doing now? Okay, wait a second. Okay. Okay guys, I'm trying again. I am going to try because okay. That was my favorite account. That's why I didn't want them to give me my other account. Because maybe she will hack it. So that's why. What the heck? Oh my gosh, she's a fucking hacker. I swear I hate her so much. Oh my gosh. Oh shit, what is she doing? Check my other accounts, bitch. Why would I say yes or... What the hell? You're a fucking hacker. I hate you so much. I hate you so much. You promised me, right? Promise me, why are you hacking me then? Stupid hacker. Fucking hacker. You're a hacker, I swear. Give it back. Give it back. Okay, she doesn't know that I'm recording it, but if I was there, I would hit you so very bad, and then you will give my account back. Because she doesn't know me how I am. Don't know me, eh? Hope I can see you hack my account. I will hit you so bad. Stupid girl. Okay guys, this was the video, but please, you know what? This girl is so stupid and annoying. I hope when I was there, I will hit her face so bad. Oh my god, I don't know what I have to do. Stupid girl. I will report you every time. I mean forever. Never come on your account back. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video, but just know that I never give your password to this stupid girl that hacked my account. Okay, bye guys.